Removing numbers from string. How can I remove digits from a string?
Would this work for your situation? This makes use of a list comprehension, and what is happening here is similar to this structure. As at Ashwini Showeri and at Kirkstrawser point out, you actually do not need to use the brackets in the one-liner, making the piece inside the parentheses a generator expression, more efficient than a list comprehension. Even if this doesn't fit the requirements for your assignment, it is something you should read about eventually. Smile.
And, just to throw it in the mix, is the oft-forgotten str.translate, which will work a lot faster than looping/regular expressions. For Python 2. For Python 3.
Not sure if your teacher allows you to use filters but returns. Much more efficient than looping. Example.
Just a few, others have suggested some of these. Method 1. Method 2. Method 3. Method 4. Method 5.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.